Hi everyone, welcome to Helical Insight training videos.
In this video, we are going to cover various quick alignment options that are available on right clicking on any component. I have added two text components. Let me right click on any one of the text components. We can see align, in that, fit to width, stick to top, stick to right, stick to left, left align, center align, right align, common height, common height width, align with first node. Let me explain these options one by one. Fit to width. This option used to make the width of the selected component to the width of the column or page where it is placed. We can see it has fit to full width. Stick to top. This is used to place the component at the topmost location. The location is relative. If there is a component placed above it already, the selected component is placed at the bottom of the previous component. If we align below component to stick to top, it places just below of that already existing component. Stick to right. This is used to place the component to the rightmost position. If the space is free, then the component goes to the rightmost side of the page. Otherwise, if there is a component, then the selected component is placed to left of that component. Since there is no other component, it is adjusted to right. If some component is there already, it will adjust to just left to that component. Stick to left. This is used to place the component leftmost position. If there is a space, then the component goes to the leftmost side of the page. Otherwise, if there is a component already present, then the selected component is placed to right side of the component. Now this one component is already there. Now let me select stick to left. We can say since that left side there is already a component, just adjusted right side of that component. Align, left align, center align, right align. So in these cases, the main difference is if some component is already there, this will overlap that component. You can see it has overlap. Similar way, center line, right align also overlaps and occupy respective positions. Next, common height. Let me provide different heights to this component. This component height is 30. Let me make it 40. When we select multiple components on the canvas by pressing the control or selecting the components, to whichever component we right click and apply common height, that component height gets applied to other components. Here we can see this component height was initially 30. Now it is changed to 40 because I did right click on this component. Similar way, common width. Let me see width of this component is 100. Here 140. I have selected these two components. Align common width. Now we can see the second component width got changed to 140 since the component in which I right click is having width 140, so it applied that common width. Common width and height. If you want to set a common height and width for selected components, you can use this option directly. So in this case it applies width and height both. Last option, align with first node. If there are two components on the canvas, you want to align them together, you can select both the components and click on align first node on right click for second component. This will align both of them together. Let us select these two components, align with first node. We can see both of them are in the same alignment position. So these are the different alignment options while designing. Hope you are clear with this. Thank you for watching.
Congratulations, you're one step closer in becoming Helical Insight expert.